Oh yeah. He's the one that built your house in the last game, I think.
Well, I don't have a house.
Just let go
I'll
of
leave
all
you
your
to it.
problems. I guess.
I was hoping I could steal his sign.
It's probably optional, but I'm guessing you probably have to find a way to build something to make the sign stay in place. However,
I have better things to do
indeed,
than help a random guy with his sign.
you can't even work out basic engineering to keep the sign in place. Honestly, why is everyone except you so incompetent in this Hyrule? Where did all this negative space come from? It's tooling locked in the eyes. Nah, it's a boblin. You need fire.
But where is Tulin?
Good question. I would have set up here, but... I'm curious of learning. Maybe go back to the cave entrance.
He saw a group of monsters and gave chase alone.
Okay.
So I want to go after a group of monsters in yay direction.
No, wait, stop. Okay. Go up the mountain, I'd say. No, like walk up the thing. This is not where we've just been round here.
But I was also just there.
Or maybe it's not at the top of the mountain. Maybe that's the group of monsters. You've completely lost confidence in hand-to-hand combat, for good reason. You were victorious.
I want a heavy weapon so I can stun people.
Yeah.
Which of these looks the most useless?
The horns you get might make heavy weapons.
Oh, he has a bow.
Indeed. Some of them do. 'Tis fine. Haha. Excellent. Oh yeah, that was the one with the bow. Jump! Oh, he sucks. Never mind. Right, everything's on fire. That's so good.
But he does have he does kill me in one shot.
Yeah, pretty much. So, yeah, take him out first, I guess.
There's always the abandoned subtlety in bomb flower.
You do have a few bomb flowers. And they're all dead? Nope. Let's whack him. Whack him, he doesn't have anything. Hey!
14!
Now that's more like it.
Now,
And you got 5 arrows.
I think my weapon's burning, so...
I think when they're burning, they do put themselves out eventually. I don't know if it affects the durability though. Oh. You still have the axe if you want to break them.
No, I'm thinking. I want to get on top of there. Damn it. I just want to jump onto it. But you know, straight away so I can rewind up. I'm just gonna go up.
Yeah. No, I get it. But this was not the time, as it so seems.
Could that be the enemies?
No, you're all good. I didn't have to fight them. I think you're going the right direction. Just try to keep following those ancient Mayan ruins. Oh, never mind. There he is.
Okay, so he is just at the very tippy top.
You scared him. Oh, he's stolen the bow. You just got one of them, didn't you? Give him that one.
Swallow bow?
Yeah. Did you know I can create a ability within the game? Then I guess you're meant to shoot it out of the air, but... Oh, that's all it took. I guess that's fair.
I thought it wanted at least a headshot, jeez.
I guess they don't want you to waste too many arrows.
If I'd have
on
done
something
that, I'd have...
necessary.
Yeah, but if I knew it was just one, I'd have used the homing arrow.
What's the homing arrow?
Key swings.
Oh.
If you use one of them, the arrow homes.
I did not know that.
And then the eye, I think, just makes them go twice as far.
Oh, right. I will remember that for my own
Tooling!
playroom. Yeah, why don't... Let's let him handle it. Maybe not, actually. Let's let him distract the... Run. Go on, Link, pull your weight. Oh, he's got a big sword. Ah, where would you be without tooling?
Awful. Well, like, I knew that to begin with.
Pick up his weapon. Didn't even get the last kill.
Yeah, but I knew that was going to happen. Tooling's insane.
He's crazy. No, admit it. He's a Gary Stu and you're a part of his fan club.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll admit he's cool then, since you've done...
I am the number 2 Tooling simp.
I don't want to meet the number 1. Actually, I feel like that'd be okay. You've been relatively tame.
Least deranged fan of birds.
I always thought birds were fine. Like, I didn't think fans of birds ended up being too deranged.
True. We're not fans of wolves or foxes.
Yeah, no. God, no.
To be fair, I think those people are also based, because I'm also a fan of those things. So it's only friendly fire.
I think they are. I have no strong opinions either way.
My
on
only
any
enemy
animal.
is duck.
Duck is understandable. Ducks are genuinely evil, but I cannot repeat why on here, for it would get... Well, it wouldn't get removed because it's us, and we're, like, kings of the platform, but... Only you have the skill and training, young child.
Oh, they're going to give that plot
Your
line.
father told
They're going to say
me
that 3 other people.
Yes, they are, they are.
Something, something, God gives you what you need.
If it's a child every time, I'll be mad. Not that being an adult means only you have the skill and training is a good line. It's never a good line. But... yeah, get rid of that.
Falcon bow.
Okay, you might as well take one of the other bows if there's no other ones to be gotten.
Yeah, someone might be in one of these. 20 arrows, 15 arrows, 16 arrows.
Not bad, kid.
And where did it say to head next? Just the storm.
Yeah, into the eye of the storm.
Now this looks like a job for me.
And your sidekick. Link.
Exact.
Now ascend again. It's gonna be a lot of this.
Whoa. I forgot he had a cooldown. And it wasn't just every time you jumped.
Oh yeah, no, it's back now. Frankly, I don't think it's useful enough to require the cooldown it has, but...
I'll show you how to use it, TM.
Alright then. Why don't you wow me with the rewind skills you showed earlier?
Because I have nothing to rewind at present. But if I did...
I mean, just utilize those, apply those skills to Gust.
Ghost throwing is for travelling over long distances, not going up.
No,
Like-
Rivali's scale was way better.
Like, what am I supposed to go up with, head towards with the wind? I do like that's the re-zero wham effect.
You'll never get it. That's right. Get your horse back.
I'm just curious what the hell it will take me to.
Probably just the top of this, I'd imagine. Or maybe it'll take you to heaven. It's one time you do ascend, it's in a completely different location. Nice shot.
He had a nice shot
Nice
too.
shot.
But this is so much more preferable to heavy sword gameplay.
Yes, it is. I told you about the arrows.
Yes, but I have also am low on them. I like to get 200 arrows and start using them.
Yeah, that's why you get a headshot. Or an eye shot in their case. Please don't... Okay, you got it quickly that time, but...
Well, after doing it once, I realised where I meant to actually head with it.
I don't like your odds.
I like my odds, honestly. You'll kill me if I do this too long.
Still like your odds. No, you're going to die. Okay, it's fine, he hasn't noticed.
And people
Well, you
said
did
the
it.
AI will get us.
I've watched 17 full playthroughs of Breath of the Wild already, not one of them has avoided that guy.
Come on.
You can jump.
If I jump here though and run out of stamina, it'll be very,
You
very
know how much stamina it takes. You weren't gonna run out. Anyway, more mountain to climb. God, this game sucks. I'm sorry, but it does. Okay, no, it doesn't.
It took you one. It took you one mountain area with me to decide. The game.
One mountain area. Yeah, that's all it took.
Yeah, the
one mountain area. I agree with you because the entire game is one mountain area.
Yes, it is.
What the hell is that?
Everywhere is up on an unfortunate incline.
They give you a free go up for free tool that you can't use. No, okay, I gotta admit, once I got to this point, I started having a bit of fun with this. Don't scare the bird, man. And make sure you've got guns. Or, yeah, no, I guess it was completely unnecessary, really, but...
It's the later ones I'll need it for.
You can't.
Okay.
They can be picked up, but they cannot be broken.
Do I?
Yeah, sure, why not? This is probably your one opportunity to do it here anyway. No, I mean, I guess you could take it all the way up if you wanted to grab it from the other side with Ultra Hand, but you might not be able to reach it. It's leaving already. Yeah,
okay,
it's fine. The Rusty Claymore was borderline useless anyway.
Now, you may be wondering, wasn't there any other path I could have taken? Yeah.
But that's the beauty of this brilliant game that I didn't say sucks.
At the end of the game, I want a compilation of every time someone has said this game sucks. I want to see the ratio.
I did like Breath of the Wild. I came out of that like, yeah, that was a great game, and everyone seems to think that this is the second coming of Christ, that Breath of the Wild being the first coming of Christ. But personally, no, I'm gonna be crucified. I think Genshin Impact has ruined this game for me. And in interest of everything, you know what to do. Don't take chances.
To go up there.
Yeah, no. I just wanted to be sure because this was one of the points where I forgot I had a send, and I attached a rocket to my shield.
Where are you finding rockets?
I explored the sky a bit before this and found the rocket from a gacha machine. And I almost got to the top here, only to find that you can't climb above that part, because there's an outer bit. But I thought it was a pretty cool idea. That almost worked.
See, that's what the game's about. Cool ideas not working.
Yeah. I mean, come on, you got your rewind stuff. You've done it.
Really? Was this the part of land I have to go on?
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
But you have to, like, go to a certain thing. You have to reach a certain point forward, and then he would activate that. But you can just nice, easy glide here now.
My brother in Christ, I saw you go in.
Still like tooling. It's
I'm
a
saying...
boat! I couldn't see that tooling.
I'm blaming the game designers. Because those cutscenes are 7 seconds away from each other.
But to be fair, I don't think anybody's ever been defending the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild series. Let's just say trilogy, because there's probably be a third one.
There was a second one before this. There was the DLC expansion pack for 40 quid.
No. Reggie Fils-Aimé once said Nintendo games won't have DLC, so I don't acknowledge Nintendo DLC as a real thing. If you'd have talked to those 3 girls earlier, you would have heard them singing this song for lore building, but we're on a tight budget of time here, so... Gotta go.
Gotta go up.
I mean, if they gotta not go, gotta do this shrine first. Not only because it gives a thing, but because you won't have a fast travel to this location if you don't do the shrine.
Just makes sense.
Yeah, it does. No, I wouldn't be so bothered. Like,
I'm just saying, why couldn't they just give you a fast travel point?
No, I'm fine with shrine. I know, because at this point I'm fine with shrines, but I'm into the story. We're into the story at this point, right? We don't want this to break up the flow of things. We're about to head into an epic storm. We don't want to go in a nice, cozy god realm tunnel.
Is this going to be a shield tutorial?
Yes. No, I think it is something related to this, maybe.
Is Tooling going to come in, or have I just left him out there alone?
No, you've left him there. This is about downward force. Are you ready to learn?